Hello everyone, this is ML Naruto. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna explain if you have any kind of link for your PNG image, then how to create any QR code for that particular link of image. So I'm gonna explain that now in this video. But before that, let's have a look at this amazing quote by Naruto. Somebody told me I'm a failure. I'll prove them wrong. See, one should have the guts, that particular gut feeling in themselves, because in every stage, we face someone who can mock us uh, through words or by actions or whatever it is. So we need to have that particular gut feeling so that we can prove them that they are wrong, right? So this is the meaning of this particular quote. So now let's deep dive into this particular code now. Okay. So the heading is QR code. QR code generation using any link of PNG. So what does that mean? So that's very simple, right? Because if you have any kind of uh, if you have any link of your PNG image, let's say you have any link of any PNG image, then with the help of that particular link, you need to create a particular QR code for that particular image. So let's see what we're gonna do. So first of all, I'm installing few packages like pi- pip install pi QR code, and the next one is pip install pillow package, and the next one is pip install pi PNG. So I'm just hitting the shift enter. Let's say let's wait for a few seconds. It's getting loaded. Okay, it has been loaded successfully. So now we can just import those libraries from that particular package, right? So what we can do is we need to import pi QR code. See here the second one, and after that, from this particular pillow package, I need to import image function, and then I need to import PNG function. See here, we have imported pi QR code and pillow and pi PNG. All these are the packages we have just now imported. We have just now installed using this pip install, right? So using this pip install, we have already installed. So now what we can do is we need to import those particular libraries. So I'm just importing pi QR code, and from this pillow package, I'm just importing image. And so here, see here, I just installed pi PNG. So now here I'm importing PNG. And then I'm just hitting shift enter. See, it has been loaded successfully. And now I am assigning some data to my variable. What's the particular data? Nothing but I am allowing my user to enter some kind of input. Enter any URL. to create a QR code, right? So I'm just asking that particular user to enter any kind of link of that particular image so that we can produce some kind of QR code for that image. So now I'm just creating another variable called QR is equal to by QR code dot create a. I'll explain one by one, but let me just finish this code. Now QR dot PNG of QR code dot PNG. Oh, sorry, I forgot to provide the scale, right? Scale is equal to whatever you want. I'm just providing here the scale of 10. So now image dot PNG of, sorry, open of QR code dot PNG. Okay, so I'll explain one by one. So first of all, I want my user to enter that particular URL of any kind of image. So I'm just allowing my user to enter any input. See here, so that's why I'm using this input function and assigning this entire task to this particular variable a here. And now I have just created another variable called QR, and I'm assigning here what I'm assigning to this particular variable. I want to create, I want to create a particular QR code, right? So for that, if I want to create a QR code, I'm just using this particular method called QR code. See here, we have already imported this particular library, right? QR code. So I'm just using here this particular method QR code, and I want to create a QR code. What is that particular QR code? Using this URL, I need to create a QR code. So what I'm doing is I am just passing this particular variable which is having my input data inside this QR code function, right? So here what I'm doing is I'm just assigning that it should be of PNG format. Should be of PNG format. So I have already imported this particular PNG library. So I'm just assigning this particular variable dot PNG. It should be in the format of PNG. So I'm just providing the scale of that particular QR code. Scale is nothing but, let's say, you can call it as a size. You can fill it as a size. So, and I want to open this particular image which is in the format of PNG, right? So we are done with our code, and I'm just hitting shift enter. Let's see what happens. See here it is asking me to enter any kind of URL of any image. So let's go here, and I want to search here like Naruto HD PNG. Okay, so because see here I because see here I want to uh, because see here I want to import that particular URL in a PNG format, right? So I'm just using this PNG images. So let me go to this Pinterest site and choose any particular image. Okay, I'm choosing this particular image. So okay, just going back, and it's some to PNG images. Okay, this would be perfect. Okay, so here I'm selecting any random image. Let's say which one I like the most is, let's say I like this particular pic the most. So here I'm just selecting this particular pic and I want to copy this enter link. Here I'm just copying this enter link, and here I'm entering into this particular link in this input section, right? So I'm just pressing the enter key. See here, the QR code has been created, right? The QR code has been created, and if you want to check this whether it's working or not, you want to test it. So what can you do? So you just right click on this particular QR code and see here, open image in a new tab, right? So just open this. See here, it has been opened. Now what you can do is you can just search image with Google Lens. If you can do this, if you can do this, and you just see here, you got the website here. Just click on this website. It will take you to this particular location of the URL. See here, we have just copied the URL from here, right? So when you just click on this QR code, you got the website here. This is nothing but the location of this particular URL. So by this, you can make a beautiful QR code. See here, scale is nothing but the size of the QR code. If I want to give it as some 5 or 3, let's see what happens. See here, the size of the QR code has been decreased gradually. So this is all for today, and I'll continue my series of playlist regarding complete Python data structures and algorithms part 3 video in the next session. Hope you enjoy the session. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care. Jai Hind.